Hi, I'm Tushar from DPJ Textiles Private Limited. As you can see, this is our master brand DP Twister. We have been there in the women's bottom category for the past 15 years. We started as a legging brand. Just had a single product with over 100 colors. From there, we have forayed into a range of different kind of bottoms, t-shirts, loungewears. Now we are also doing shapewears in our brand called Pink and Purple. And this is a journey we started with one state, one city. Now we are there in more than 21 states, and we have a presence in over 300 cities in the country. And in 2017 we started exports as well. We are doing exports in the Gulf area in Dubai, and we are associated with premier groups in Dubai as well. And we are looking our way forward and in expanding in the south and in states as well. No, we have been participating in this exhibition since 2015. Post COVID, we did not participate much because there were a lot of transitions that were going on in the distribution network. We were also reshuffling. We have post COVID, we have also thought a different line in which we'll be operating. Like we were based traditionally in a distribution marketing system. We started an online segment of D2C portal as well. Then we also forayed into exclusive brand outlets. We have opened 2 brand outlets in Calcutta city itself in the past 1 year. We are trying to open 5 more because we have got a wide, if you can just see, we have a very wide range of products right now. And if we talk about the normal traditional retail business, a retailer caters to a lot of brands. And what happens is that if we go to the retailer, our distributors go, they'll choose 4 or 5 products of ours. Currently, you are seeing around 80 to 90 products, and it is not just 80 to 90 products. It is more than 10,000 SKUs that we are catering to right now. So for that, we need a bigger space, which is a problem in a traditional retail system. So that is why we needed EBOs, and that is why we are trying to expand it via both our company owned and the franchise. We are exploring opportunities in South Africa, Mexico, Saudi Arabia. These are our main targets for the current city, and currently we are targeting that we might be able to start this year in those countries. Actually, we were among the first 4 or 5 brands who started leggings. At that point of time, people did not know what leggings actually was. We did not know that was it a innerwear brand or an outerwear brand. And as in as time passed by, trends changed, so people got to know that leggings is a separate category. It is an outerwear that can be used, and we had a first mover advantage of foraying into it. And apart from that, in the past 7-8 years, what has changed is that we made different kind of bottoms, which became a USP. Which in if we talk about the brands who are present in bottom wears in India in women's wear, they there will be very selective brands like us who would be there with a wide range of bottoms. So that is a USP, that if a customer comes to our brand, they will not be dissatisfied with the fact that we are not getting different kind of bottoms here. They can say no to one bottom, they can say to 2 bottoms, they can say it for 5, but they cannot say no to n number of bottoms that is there in our brand. So that is a very big USP for us. uh, we are associated with Indian Apparel since my father, because we are running a family business. That was the main apparel directory which I, as a child, remember that it was there. So I have a good thought, and I know that you people are now putting your efforts into the digital space, and I hope that you do well.